Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, this is too much.
Yeah. Oh, so adorable.
Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking you to one of Kuching's most iconic stays, the Waterfront Hotel. Perched atop Plaza Merdeka Shopping Center, this independent 5-star boutique hotel boasts stunning view of Sarawak River right in the heart of the city. We spent 2 nights here and let's just say we were in for an incredible surprise at check-in. Let's dive in. When Vinny booked this hotel months before our trip to Kuching, he noted that it would be our honeymoon and that he was showing me around Malaysia as this was my first time visiting Southeast Asia. Little did we know the hotel had prepared a special surprise for our stay. So originally we booked the Waterfront Premium King Suite River View for around 550 ringgit, but to our surprise, we were complimentary upgraded to the Nisa Addina Suite, which cost around 1,500 ringgit. Just to be clear, this wasn't a sponsored stay and we are not big enough to get special treatment. This was a genuine surprise.
Oh, right here? Oh. What is the room number?
1001. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are at the Waterfront Hotel in Malaysia, Kuching, and this is the Nisa Addina Suite. It is one of the largest suites in this hotel. We actually got upgraded. We really appreciate them doing this. First, you don't see any bed here. You know why? It's upstairs. We were very surprised when we got in here. So we'll start with the living room tour first here. So it is very grand. The room name is Nisa because the artist name, her name is Nisa, so that's why it calls Nisa. But these couches are very grand and luxury, very nice. And as a welcome amenity, they provide us I don't know what this Malaysian snack is, but they do provide this and also welcome cake as well. Very nice of them. And moving on to the dining area, I guess. So crazy they have this massive. Here they actually prepare all the plates for you and they even offer a printer if you need to print something. My first time seeing a printer in the room. And if you come here, there is a microwave. Very cool. And they offer a Nespresso. And this is the biggest kettle I've ever seen in a hotel room. And if we open it here, there is a cups and sugar stuff. And here, there's 2 bottles of cold water. And if you come here, they do have a teapot for you. You can brew your own tea. And more water. That's a lot of water. Very surprised. And there's a lot of glass for your wine. There's some utensils and scissor. Huh, interesting. So you can kind of semi-heat up your food. Yeah, party. And here, this is the restroom. Powder room? Yeah. Powder room. You have the hand soap. And this one smells very good. I've never seen this brand. It smells very, very good. And then, if you leave here, this is the nicest TV I've ever seen in Malaysia hotel so far. So, very big. And this is our luggages. The only downside is we actually have to carry this luggage up there. That's gonna be quite a challenge, but Vinny worked out for it. And here, you can do your temperature control up to 16 Celsius. I'm gonna put an 18. And here you do have digital way of saying do not disturb or clean. Shall we go upstairs? And here you can actually rest as well. Or you put your luggage, I think. This is for your luggage. And you have a desk here with the mirror. Maybe you can do your hair too. And here, more water. And another one, temperature control, you can do upstairs separately. And moving on, another big TV, the flat Samsung one. You can use a YouTube as well. And there's some air purifier as well. This is my first time seeing an air purifier in a room. Yeah, very cool. And here, very nice of them. They put this cute heart shape and bed sims, very nice. We'll actually give you a review later. Moving on to the closet, you do have a Dyson hairdryer. It's my first time seeing Dyson hairdryer in the hotel room in Malaysia so far. And robe is pretty thick. There's some additional blanket if you need. This is safe, and they do offer a slipper as well. They're branded. And here, there's a scale for you. This scale becomes really useful whenever we pack to not overweight our luggage. So, and there's just additional closet for you to put your clothes to. Moving on to the final destination, restroom. Very massive. Someone's bedroom. Tub is very big and is very new. There's a handheld one and a fountain. Moving on to vanity. These are the amenities they provide you. And it's branded, it's their own brand. Same thing, they do have the smell. It smells very, very good. And the toilet with the hose, I don't know what it calls, but they do have it. And the walk-in shower is very massive. Here, you come in. And they offer a pretty high brand shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Yeah. And handheld shower and the waterfall as well. Oh yeah, and then there's a blind. Oh, that's weird. You're gonna watch me taking a bath? Coming back here, yeah. So the room is very, very massive. We were very surprised about this upgrade and we really appreciate it again. And we'll share our full experience about this hotel. We heard this is the nicest hotel and new hotel in Kuching, Malaysia. So we'll be sharing more experience. See you in the next chapter. Also, the highlight of this room. Let me show you. This is so beautiful. If you can see this view, you can say, I saw the Kuching, right, Vincent? Oh my god. Oh my god, so beautiful.
Gym is on this side.
The hotel's gym is located on level 5 and is open daily from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m.
Hydration station with some towels, some cardio machines, some workout machines, dumbbells, kettlebell and barbell.
The hotel's swimming pool is located on level 4 and is open daily from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. However, it may be closed for private events, so make sure to check before you booking. Also, access is exclusive to a registered guest. There's also a hotel bar, Zapatos The Lounge, located right by the swimming pool. The pool has a great scenic view, so I highly recommend checking out if you have time. There's a restaurant called Cafe Via Mare, which offers both local delights and Western cuisines. We didn't get a chance to try it, but if you are looking for dining at the hotel, this is your option. The restaurant is open from 6:30 a.m. to 10 p.m. They serve breakfast in buffet style and a la carte for lunch and dinner. In addition, if you book a club room or a suite, you will have an access to the Iridium Lounge and enjoy the following benefits.
So the mall is here. If you go, there is connected to the Waterfront Hotel. He's guiding you. Ta-da-da! Oh, you have premium washroom here. Interesting. And then hotel is here.
To wrap up, we absolutely loved our stay at the Waterfront Hotel. The stunning view of the Kuching Sarawak River was a highlight and the location was perfect. Just a short walk to the river, and if you're traveling, you're not sure it's safe to walk around at night, we felt super safe, so don't worry about it. Also, right in front of the hotel, there was a festival which made our stay even more enjoyable. The hotel staff were incredibly friendly and we loved the vibe of this hotel. We highly recommend staying here at least one night to wind down and take an amazing view. We hope this video was helpful for your future travel planning and that you enjoy your time in Kuching, Malaysia. Have a safe travels! Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye!
Oh, so adorable. Kuching is a cat.